Here's Saka. Arsenal have worked that well. Space here for Rice. He's still going, Rice. And Trossard! It's Arsenal's 100th goal of the season. And more importantly, it's given them the lead early on. An excellent team move. Finished emphatically by Leo Trossard.
Leo Trossard has been that man numerous times this season. Worked it really well initially in the right-hand channel, coming to Kai Havertz, then making his way out to Declan Rice. And the pass is timed to perfection. And Leo Trossard has no hesitation, getting onto his right foot and just putting his laces through it. Gives Petrovic absolutely no chance at his near post, goes through the goalkeeper's legs. The perfect start for us.
This time they've taken the option up as well. Here's Trossard, he's got Odegaard waiting on the edge, and Saka. Rice back to Odegaard. Whips it in, Tomiyasu gets up, but can't get over the ball, and it goes behind for a goal kick.
Yeah, just trying to veer it up a little bit. Odegaard getting across it with his left foot. Tomiyasu coming at the far post. Gets himself underneath the ball.
Ill. Now Trossard for Arsenal. Finds Rice, takes it really nicely, gets the shot away! Just over the top. It would have been an excellent second goal as it was, just a yard or so over the bar, but more really nice interplay involving Trossard and Rice. Arsenal going close to a second, but now with some defending to do because Jackson is sprinting forward away from Saliba. Still going as well, and well, the pass eventually hit Gabriel, and I think just rebounded off the foot of the post. Here's Havertz again, it's opened up for him, shoots! Good save from Petrovic. Now Saka. Trossard! It's a fine reaction stop. The effort cannoned off Disasi, and Petrovic just able to claw it away.
Kai Havertz maybe should have just shipped the ball instead of shooting, and then a shot from Leandro Trossard deflects off Disasi. Really good save from Petrovic.
Gallagher combining well with Madueke to the byline, and it's going to come all the way to Cucurella. And now Fernandes.
Yeah, there's the threat with Chelsea on the counter-attack. Brilliant ball from Conor Gallagher inside Tomiyasu. Madueke getting to the byline, and it comes back to Fernandes. Just goes agonisingly from Chelsea's point of view, past David Raya's right-hand post.
Fernandes, and that's a loose pass which allows Arsenal to move forward. It's another loose ball as well, and Odegaard's onto it. Now Rice, Declan Rice! Just too close to Petrovic, who scrambled it away.
Really sloppy play from Chelsea, getting at the back, Paddy Shield giving the ball away. And Odegaard just timed his ball really well, getting onto Declan Rice, doing what he should do, trying to go across Petrovic. Really good save actually from Petrovic.
White's got Saka outside him, chance to run at Cucurella, who has of course been booked. White making the third man run. Odegaard frees Havertz! And Petrovic has made yet another crucial stop.
To be fair, I think Martin Odegaard gives 57,000 Arsenal fans the eyes there. It's a fantastic reverse pass.
Saka does elect to go short, gets it back from Odegaard. There's Rice again. And it's turned home by Ben White. He is enjoying such a fine season. It's his third goal of the campaign. It's a really important one as well, because it's now Arsenal 2, Chelsea 0.
And a really cool finish from Ben White. As the ball came to him again, we work in the short corner. Saka and Odegaard. Ball comes to Bukayo Saka. Brings out to Declan Rice, gets his shot away. Comes off for Thomas Partey. I think Thomas Partey might get an assist for that actually, because he just sticks out his left foot. Ends up coming to Ben White, and he sorts his feet out brilliantly because it's in between his feet. He just makes sure with his left foot, he just guides it past Petrovic, giving absolutely no chance whatsoever.
Emirates Stadium is absolutely rocking here. Arsenal fans trying to roar their team on to what would be a crucial win. And Havertz is away through the middle, played in by Odegaard! Finishes clinically! It's 3-0 Arsenal! And Emirates Stadium erupts!
What a fantastic ball from Martin Odegaard. I think he must have, in his previous life, he must have been an owl, because the way that he swivels his head, he's just got an awareness of Kai Havertz. It's the perfect pass into his path. Great first touch from Kai Havertz, just making sure that Cucurella can't get across him, just using his shoulder and his body really, really well.
Arsenal, though, with so much space every time they come forward. Here's Saka. Now Havertz. It's an excellent finish, it really is. Kai Havertz has scored twice against his former club. And Perry Groves, it's Arsenal 4, Chelsea 0.
It's a brilliant finish from Kai Havertz. Just kicking the ball off on the edge of the 18-yard box. Again, he's given the Chelsea goalkeeper Petrovic the eyes, where he looks like he's going to go far post. He's whipped it into the near post. Good play from Bukayo Saka, just coming inside Cucurella. Just Havertz opening his body up. You see there that Petrovic is actually flat-footed because he thinks Kai Havertz is going to go into the far post. Just a really clever finish. Just whipping it back across himself. Disasi thinks he's going far post. Petrovic thinks he's going far post. Kai Havertz knows what exactly he's going to do.
Space again for White. He's got Saka in front of him. Cucurella going inside, finding Odegaard. That's another excellent ball to White, and it nestles in the top corner. It's just getting better and better and better for Arsenal. It's Arsenal 5, Chelsea 0.
Well, I'm not particularly sure. He might give Ben White the benefit of the doubt, because I think that might have been a bit of a shin-up. I think he's maybe just trying to help it across the 6-yard box for Kai Havertz. He's getting congratulations from his teammates. Just really good play again. Declan Rice out to Bukayo Saka. Bukayo Saka coming inside. Cucurella just giving it out to Martin Odegaard. Just a little chip over Martin Odegaard. And Ben White will say that he meant it, and I'm going to give him the benefit of the doubt.
The Arsenal fans are very much loving what their team have served up tonight. The away end is starting to empty more and more. Here's Martinelli! Almost a sick.
Great first touch from Gabriel Martinelli, just plucking the ball out of the sky. Just think he's gone with the outside of his right foot. He's trying to curl it low down to Petric's right-hand side. Again, Chelsea, the architects showing downfall.
In the final few seconds here, has been an evening that all Arsenal fans inside Emirates Stadium will remember for a very, very long time. A 5-star showing from Arsenal. A dominant, ruthless win against Chelsea. It's finished here at Emirates Stadium. Arsenal 5, Chelsea 0.